Hey kids, I want to show you guys how to add a Google slide to your assignment in Google Classrooms. So I have an example here for you, and you see we're in the stream as usual where we find our assignments, and I have this assignment here titled Research Project, and in this assignment there are two attachments, and these attachments are just the instructions. So if we take a look at this assignment called Research Project, what you would do is you would go ahead and press open on it, and as you open your assignments, you notice that the two attachments are still there for the instructions, but also down here you're allowed to add any work that you may have. Usually I give you guys an attachment that you type into. You open up the attachment and you just type into it and it saves it for you. This is a little bit different. You're going to be adding your own document, or actually creating it and then adding it to it. And that's why you're going to come down here to where it actually says create. All right, you're going to be creating a document. If you click on create, it gives you docs, slides. This is what we want. We want slides. When you do that, it'll create a document for you with your name on it and the assignment's name on it. You can click that to open it up. So this is Google Slides. It's like a PowerPoint if you've used that before. It works the same way. So you guys can use these tools here to create a slide for your assignment. These are text boxes. If you want to put a title, you can. Highlighting the text, and then coming up here, you have all sorts of tools. You can change color. You can italicize, bold, change font. All right, sort of all the normal tools that you guys would find. Even in the Google Docs, when you guys use that, it's pretty much the same thing. You guys can move these things around because you might not want that right there. If you want to add some other things like a list, you want to give me information about your research project. You want to say, let's see, these people were awesome. They were wonderful. They would rule the world. Okay, so just as an example, just some things I'm going to make up, just making up some fake information here. But if you wanted to, since you're not writing an essay, you're not writing a paragraph, it's a little bit different when you create a slide. You might want to throw it over like this. You can justify it to the left. You might want to have some bullets. And if you come up over here, it may be under more. You may see it lined up. It just depends on how yours looks. But in any case, you see this symbol here. It says bulleted list. If you click on that, when you have them all highlighted, you will see that you will have a bulleted list. And you can list out your ideas, your notes of your research. And so this is how you can create a Google slide.